Hi, today we'll be showing you how to pair the Sennheiser Momentum 4 headphones with your smartphone along with an unboxing. Let's get started. In the included carrying case, you'll find the headphones, USB-C charging cable, 3.5 to 2.5mm audio cable, airline adapter, and last but not least, the manual. Before starting the pairing process, make sure your headphones are fully charged through the USB-C port. Download the Sennheiser Smart Control app from the App Store. Automatically turn on the headphones by lifting them up and hold the pairing button for 5 seconds until the LEDs start flashing. Open the Sennheiser Smart Control app and connect with the Momentum 4 headphones found in the pairing menu. Once the headphones are paired with your phone, you can now control sound and EQ settings as well as update firmware if needed. You should now be good to go. If you find issues pairing with your headphones, try resetting by deleting the device from your Bluetooth settings and start the pairing process again. This has been a how to pair video for the Sennheiser Momentum 4 over-ear headphones. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions or feedback, leave them down below. The Sennheiser Momentum 4s are available now at Brandswalk and can be purchased through the links in the description. Thank you for watching and see you next time.